Unlock the secret to summoning an unstoppable horde of minions in Super Snail and dominate your enemies. First, let's talk about the primary way to get more minions, the Minion Factory. This is your central hub for all things minion recruitment. You'll find it clearly marked on your main screen. Every day, you get free daily recruitment attempts. Don't miss these. They are a consistent and reliable way to slowly build your minion army over time. Just tap the daily recruitment button and watch your roster grow. Next, keep a close eye on in-game events. Super Snail regularly features limited events, many of which offer minion recruitment tickets or direct minions as rewards. Participate actively in these events to maximize your gains. The in-game store is another crucial resource. You can often purchase minion contracts or minion-related packs using an in-game currency like TADs or even real money if you choose. Always check the store for new offerings. Don't forget about exploration and expeditions. As you progress through the game and explore new areas, you'll often stumble upon chests or hidden rewards that can contain valuable minion recruitment items or even rare minions themselves, so keep adventuring. Finally, always check your achievement and quest logs. Many achievements and quests are tied to game progression and will reward you with minions or recruitment items upon completion. These are often overlooked but provide a steady stream of growth. By consistently utilizing these strategies, €1 daily recruitment, event participation, store purchases, exploration, and quest completion, €1 you'll quickly assemble a powerful minion force, helping you conquer Super Snail and leaving your rivals in awe.